misfire now, dude. Want to back out of it altogether. And smoke.
I got smoke back here.
Yeah, we're smoking.
When's my car gonna be done, bro?
So the tuner emailed us today, and he told us what? What did he tell us?
Turn up the boost!
We can add more boost to the turbo E46. Going to 12 PSI, the target goal. 10 PSI was a lot of fun, so 12 is going to be, I think, what we actually want. We tested with 4 pounds, then did 8, and then 10. We are here with the smoke show car, the big old smoke show car. Now we're going to compile or combine a 8-pound spring with a 4-pound spring and hopefully achieve 12 pounds, the magic number. A little bit of NICs on the wastegate threads, some of the copper stuff. Some good stuff right here. Put on some bread and eat it for breakfast. Right on your toast. That's plenty. All right, so 8-pound spring and a 4-pound spring going in the wastegate. Oh, yep, that's tight. That is fucking tight. There it is.
Yeah.
Get it. Get that bitch.
The collar.
I know it's a bitch, but you gotta get it.
How the fuck? I don't know how.
I did it by myself earlier. Come on.
It's all like bound up. It's nowhere close to straight. Look at that collar.
You gotta push it up in there.
But it's hanging down for this.
Yeah, you gotta fucking push it like that.
Your hand was covering. Bring it up there so I can.
Bro, can you give me a hand?
Okay.
Not that hand. It's in the way kind of hand, dude.
There you go.
There.
You tighten it up. Like that. Definitely going to need this.
This was a fucking.
Take that.
Oh, I had wiping lotion on
We
my
need to use a laptop. Take it. Now give me it back. Thank you. All right. Lappy top. Yeah.
You could be sitting on it, but I don't feel like getting up before you check your pocket. You fucking sticky fingered thief. I got it.
Is it grippy in there?
I'm not, yeah,
Is it all grip?
Rip up in here.
Yeah, I know. It's like, what the fuck are you doing to me? Just a 328 with a 25.
Testing out 12 PSI with 3 people in the car, so let's see what this thing can do.
Just come there. Service engine light.
A lot of gas, I can smell it.
Yeah.
Got a misfire now, dude. Want to back out of it altogether. And smoke.
I got smoke back here.
Yeah, we're smoking.
What the fuck was that? That's a lot of fucking oil.
Yeah, that's a lot.
There was definitely a
Dude, I think we put a hole in the fucking block.
Nah.
I think. This oil just came out of nowhere. Right on the exhaust manifold, so it was smoking.
I hear the backfire. Right.
Hey, bro.
Hey, bro, we turned the boost up like you told us, and something happened to the car, bro. It felt so good at first.
It felt really good.
The limits of a 2.5 on open.
Dude, that should not be its limit, though.
11. It was
Yeah,
holding
holding 11.
right
That was 11 PSI in it. Cylinder 4 misfire, and the MAF. I had the MAF unplugged, but cylinder 4 is not happy with us right now.
Yeah, cylinder 4, that's probably not good news.
BMW E46 turbo bales. The engine is damaged. Cylinder 4, it has 30 PSI of compression. We got 30 PSI in cylinder 4, buddy.
That's a problem.
That is a big problem. Cylinder 4, we damaged the ring lands on the piston. That in return allows the compression to shoot past the piston directly into the crankcase, overpressurizing the crankcase. This oil is from that turbo drain vent line. you can see it actually worked very well, almost too effectively, at allowing the excessive pressure to escape. All this oil is from that vent line. It is down inside there. That is that vent line that I added to the turbo oil drain. It did its job. I can attest to that. It quite literally expelled all the pressure it could and threw oil out. We seen zero smoke out of the exhaust. That's how effective it works. It put all the pressure in the engine bay. Yeah. The overall plan for the car is much greater than a bone stock engine anyway. We plan to build an engine, or maybe I can talk bro into doing a crazy engine swap. I've been wanting to put a S55 into an E46 for a little while now, so The turbo setup works very well. There was absolutely zero boost creep, so we can confidently say that the engine itself just couldn't keep up. Whether it was due to previous neglect or whatever it may be, this kind of thing can happen. It is the real world. It's not all butterflies and rainbows, you know, things can go wrong or things can break. It is what it is. We're not overly worried about it. So we have some options here. We can fully build an iron block. We can use another unopened engine. Personally, I'm happy that this failure happened now, very early in the build, versus down the road during a long travel somewhere or whatever it may be. This sort of thing happening now is much preferred. We can now get a solid plan together and really create something special out of this car, so we're going to think about it. As always, hopefully you enjoyed the content. I will see you in the next video. Catch you later.